This short video will go over the highlights of our 1997 Bluebird All-American bus. That's me, Tom, and Lynn Shelbert. As you enter our bus, you'll notice the diamond plate and industrial flooring, an RV seat, and a workstation with a piece of plywood over the steering wheel. The dinette on the right has ample storage underneath. Double stainless steel sink, styrofoam window covers, and a nice couch with storage underneath. The front of the bus has custom bookshelves. Heading towards the rear, you see a full-size propane range on the right, an RV fridge, microwave, additional storage. There's the vanity with storage under it, a hand-tiled shower, composting toilet on the right, his and hers closets that are over 4 feet long, queen bed platform with storage underneath, and additional storage above the bed in the back. Over the last 4 years, we have traveled throughout the West and have settled in California, where we have been doing volunteer work. The bus is extremely comfortable, practical, and efficient. This is just a brief synopsis. For more information, send an email or give me a ring.